We're going to be talking about 5 fourth quarter money moves that every business owner should make coming up.
Stay tuned.
Hey, I'm Talent.
Hey, I'm Ty, and we're from hisandhermoney.com,
where we are teaching you how to take dominion over your money and your life. This video is being brought to you by Legal & General America.
Legal & General America is a leader in low-cost, high-quality life insurance.
For nearly 70 years, Legal & General America has been providing financial protection to over 1.3 million families and businesses.
LGA makes understanding and applying for life insurance easy.
And agents are standing by to help you find the best coverage to fit your family's needs.
All you have to do is go to hisandhermoney.com/LGA to get a free quote now.
We are quickly approaching the fourth quarter.
We are.
Wow, that was quick.
Like almost in the fourth quarter, like 1 day, 2 days. By the time you all probably, some of you all watch this video, we're already in the fourth quarter.
Yeah.
And you may be already counting yourself out saying, I'm not a business owner. Hey guys, being a business owner does not mean having a brick and mortar, although that can be the case as well too. But a lot of you all also have your own at-home businesses or side hustles and things like that. We're talking to you. We want you all to make sure that you all are taking care of these money moves in the fourth quarter.
Yeah, and even if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, this is always good to take in this information so you can put yourself in a position of strength even before the business starts.
That's right.
If you guys are business owners, this is some information that you absolutely must have.
That's right.
And some things that you absolutely need to consider.
All right.
So let's get it started.
All right. Now, in no particular order, but number one, you need clean books, you all. I am a big advocate for this. Anytime anybody tells me that they have a side hustle or running a business, I'm like, are you keeping your books clean? What do I mean by that? Are you tracking your expenses? Are you tracking the income that's coming in, right? There are free softwares online. There are also paid software. Some of the common ones that you all may be used to are like your QuickBooks and things like that. But there's also some free ones too. Yeah. You could simply do a Google search and put free accounting software for businesses, and you'll have some come up. We can't personally recommend one over the other because you guys in business, guess what? Sometimes you grow, sometimes you change as well too. We're always researching and like studying different softwares and things like that as well too. But I'm here to tell you that the free ones work just as good as well too. Yeah. But making sure that you are tracking your income and your expenses, you guys, this is so important. You don't ever want to be audited. You don't ever want to, again, be audited by the IRS or anything like that. And you don't have your books in order. It's so important. Now, there are some of you all who may not be having a lot of income or expenses coming in, and you may be feeling like, well, do I really need to keep track? Yes, you do. Even if you're not making any money, if you're spending a lot of money. I have some family members who have just started in business. I'm like, track everything. You buy cameras, track that. Like, I don't care what it is. Make sure that you all are keeping clean books and also recording all of your transactions.
It's essentially a budget for your business.
That's it.
If you don't have solid, sound knowledge as to how much money is coming in and how much money is going out, you're essentially playing a guessing game. Right. And most business owners that play guessing games with their income and outgo don't last in business too long. It is important that you know, because when you have this knowledge, you can make adjustments. When you have this knowledge, you can see leaks and you can see opportunities to grow. So it's important that you maintain good, clean books for your business. Number 2, tax obligations. If you are a business owner and you're making money, you have tax obligations. I know sometimes it feels so good to get that cash or to get that notification on your phone that you just got this deposit and you just want to spend it or use it, even if you're reinvesting it back into the business. But hold on. You have to pay taxes, ladies and gentlemen. What you don't want to do is get to filing season and then you get hit with this number that just blows your mind. You're like, where am I gonna get that money from? No, you need to be taking a look at where you are right now and be putting that money to the side so that when filing season comes, it doesn't catch you as off guard.
That's right. So in the past, you guys, we didn't know. We worked with accountants before in the past, and we didn't know how much we owed or if we were going to get any money back until we filed. Yeah. Now, you all, there are so many different things in place now, whether if you're working with a CPA or accountant, or if you're doing it on your own, you all, I do believe that every business owner, yes, there are some things that you can definitely, we'd highly suggest that you have the pros do it. But we're a big believer as well too, that you understand how it works as well yourself. And so it's important.
It's important for one to have that knowledge, so you know that the person you're hired to do the work is doing things appropriately. If you're just totally oblivious and ignorant to how the process works, the person that you can hire can get over.
That's so
the person
true.
that
or they
you
just
hire
simply may not even be experienced. They may not be trying to get over intentionally, but maybe they don't even really know. Because I'm just going to keep it real, you guys. Nowadays, a lot of people, these softwares have become crutches, right? And they're just plugging in numbers, and they're not necessarily really using their own personal knowledge. And this is why it's so important, you all, that you all, if you hired a CPA or an accountant, that you all have a good relationship with them, they should be telling you what your tax obligation is. And so in the past, we didn't know until we filed. Now, y'all, we know. So we already know, and we haven't even filed yet what our obligations should be. And we're also paying them along the way too. So make sure that you get that information, whether you're doing it on your own or you have someone. It's so important that you don't have any surprises. All right. So number 3, you all, I personally feel like it's the most important, because a business is really only as good as its owners.
Ooh,
and
that's deep.
So many businesses collapse simply because maybe the owners don't know enough, or they're not equipped, and other things like that, right? If you don't have your personal financial affairs in order, and what I mean by that, the health of your own personal financial. So now, for example, we run His or Her Money, but you all, we would be a hot mess teaching y'all how to take care of your money if we weren't handling our money as well too on the personal side. So it's always important that even on the personal side, as a business owner, that you are learning about your finances, that you have a game plan when it comes to your own personal finance. And importantly, that you also have life insurance. We want to say thank you to this video's sponsor, Legal & General America, for sponsoring this video. If you do not have your term life insurance policy in place, go to hisandhermoney.com/LGA to get a free quote now. You can actually do the entire process online on your own, or you can speak with someone, or you can just simply get a free quote. No obligation, you guys. There's no pressure. A lot of you all have already done that. Do it, okay? It's so important. You don't want your family to have to worry about how to take care of their household, and sometimes even to continue the legacy in your business, right? There are people that pass, but they still continue to, the family still continues to maintain the business. And so it's important, you guys. Life insurance is a gift, not just for yourself, but it literally is a gift to your family or those who are counting on you financially. You all, it takes less than 5 minutes. Literally, go to hisandhermoney.com/LGA to get a free quote. The links will also be in the description box below.
All right. The fourth move that every business owner needs to be making in this here fourth quarter is increasing your knowledge around taxes. Taxes are a huge part of your longevity as an entrepreneur. If you don't get this right, your doors could be closing quickly for a few reasons. If you don't know tax strategies, you could be missing opportunities and sending more money away than you have to. If you don't know tax law or you don't know tax rules, you could be doing things that could compromise your business and become a red flag to the IRS. That's why it is super important. Even if, I didn't go to CPA school, have no plans of going to CPA school, but what I am going to do is increase my knowledge on the consistent. It's what we have done. It's what we continue to do. It's why we're in the position we are with our business, because both of us consume tax knowledge. Again, we're not CPAs.
Don't know what we're doing, but
we do consume knowledge, and we do take what we learn and we ask questions to our CPA.
We sure do.
And we try to position ourselves in a position of strength at all times. And you as a business owner need to be doing the same. Yes, you should involve professionals when you get to a certain level, but that doesn't mean that you stop learning. You should continue to take in, whether that's books, podcasts, videos, courses, trainings, seminars. You should be making sure, because tax efficiency is such a huge, and tax knowledge is such a huge part of being a successful entrepreneur.
Now that kind of ties into the second point that we had mentioned to you all about tax obligation. So it's sort of similar, but it's so important that you guys inform yourself as well too. We do have some resources if you all want to, if you're the DIYers, or if you all want to learn some information in regards to just business and tax. We do have some resources. We'll include them in the description box below. But you all, this part is important. It's just as important as learning how to run your business. So making sure that you indulge yourself in how to grow your business. So whatever arena that you're in, you should be studying that arena. Like, that's important. This is the fourth quarter, you guys. We should actually be having our next year's game plan in the fourth quarter. So we want you all to make sure that you all are prepared. We'll also include a link to one of our favorite books, Profit First. We believe that every business owner should read this book, you guys, because a lot of businesses that are running, even when they say that they're making $1 million, a lot of them are not profitable. A lot of business owners cannot even take a paycheck.
Ooh.
And so you want to make sure that you have your business set up properly. Definitely grab your hand on this book and read it, you guys. It would definitely help you out. And the last one, you all, if you all notice the common thread here, we're talking about taxes a lot because we're already in the fourth quarter. This should be on your mind as well too. So it's tax efficiency. So what do we mean by that? Usually in the fourth quarter, we're also looking over our tax obligations and things like that. And we're like, hey, are there some things that maybe the business has been in need of, maybe equipment that we can buy to also increase our expenses and things like that. So we're always looking at how to be more efficient in the area of our taxes.
Yeah, so that term efficient means how can I use what's in the tax code to my advantage as a business owner because it's in the tax code. But again, think about all the things that we told you, like increasing knowledge and knowing your obligations. This goes right along with that because there are things that you can do that the government says that you can do to lower your tax burden so that you don't have to send as much money away in taxes because you're following what the United States tax code tells you to do. But if you don't take the time to learn it and you don't take the time to execute it, then your business becomes less tax efficient and you put yourself in a higher tax burden than you would have needed to.
Yeah.
So this may, again, involve you consuming information. This may involve you setting up a meeting with your CPA to say, hey, what are some things we can do before the end of the year gets here that puts our company in a much more tax efficient space. Now is the time to do it. When filing season comes, you lose any ability to make any moves to lower your tax burden. So in order to become as tax efficient as possible, you need to be having that talk.
Because some things need to be done literally by December 31st.
December 31st.
At the very last day of the year. If you have not done it, before then you can definitely miss out. Now, you guys, we are not tax accountants and experts here. We would suggest
educational purposes only.
That's right. We purely suggest that you do seek out professional knowledge and professional advice, either your accountant or an attorney. You do it, but we want to make sure that we share with you guys some of the things that we do. We really kind of do this all year round, but definitely in the fourth quarter, we're ramping things up. Now, again, you guys, this information is just for educational purposes only. Contact your accountant, CPA, and find out information. But we do want you all to make sure that you all are at least doing this. You should be having a conversation. If you hired somebody to do it, you should be having a conversation with them. They should be helping you. They should be proactive, right? And so it's important. You're not bothering your accountant. They actually want you to kind of inquire or to even ask questions. And they know that they don't get everything right, so they need your help. It's a partnership. So make sure that you all do that too. But again, make sure that your own personal affairs is taken care of, your personal household. Again, your business is only going to be as strong as you are personally, especially financially. And you all, this is so important. So make sure that you get your life insurance policy in place. Go to hisandhermoney.com/LGA to learn more. And also, don't forget, check that description box, you guys. Everything that we mentioned, if we have links to certain resources, we'll make sure that we include it in the description box below. We want to hear from you. Leave us a comment in the comment section below. Let us know which one of these do you plan on working on right now, like this week. We want to hold you accountable. Leave us a comment in the comment section below. And if you all enjoy these videos about business, you all want us to talk more about business and money and finances, give this video a thumbs up. We want to know. We would love to bring more of this to you guys.
All right, that's all we got for this time, guys. It's been great. Until next time, peace.
Bye, y'all.